If your business runs on pre-sales, there are 5 solid reasons why you should consider Listaso technology. Let's get started. Number 1. Orders, credits, and invoices. If you're still generating orders, invoices, or credit notes in Excel, by hand, or through WhatsApp, you're taking unnecessary risks. Mistakes at this stage don't just slow down your internal operations, they hurt your customers' perception and trust in your service. In sales, precision isn't just optional, it's essential. With Listaso technology, you can simplify the creation of orders, credit notes, and invoices, all in real time from one single platform. The process is intuitive, professional, and completely error-free. Number 2. HD catalog. An outdated or incomplete catalog is a lost sales opportunity. Today, more than ever, product presentation makes the difference. If you can't display your portfolio visually, professionally, and with confidence, you're losing potential sales before the conversation even begins. With Listaso's high-definition catalog, you can showcase up to 20,000 products with updated images, seamlessly and without complications. We know first impressions matter, trust me. That's when we make sure your catalog always looks impeccable. Number 3. Custom log. When your sales team visits a client and there's no clear record of what was discussed, the follow-up loses meaning. Without notes, context, or visuals, there's no continuity in the relationship. And without that, there's no trust, no long-term strategy. Listaso technology lets you log every customer visit with notes, photos, and specific details. This gives your sales team a clear view of each interaction, enabling personalized follow-ups and better relationship management. It strengthens client relationships and improves the quality of every sales interaction. Number 4. Product history. Knowing your customer's purchase history actually helps you anticipate needs, recommend better, and serve faster. When your team doesn't have that information during the sale, it leads to delays, generic offers, and the impression that you don't really know your customer, which is a major disadvantage in competitive markets. Meanwhile, with Listaso technology, you have instant access to every customer's purchase history, including products ordered, quantities, dates, and more. That means your team can recommend the right products, speed up order taking, and deliver a truly personalized experience just for your client. Number 5. ERP integrations. When your systems don't communicate with each other, you double the work and multiply the errors. And honestly, who wants that? Entering the same data in 2 different platforms wastes time, resources, and increases the margin for human error. Lack of integration slows down efficiency and directly impacts profitability. That's why Listaso technology offers full ERP integration, eliminating the need for manual data entry between systems. With this, you reduce mistakes, streamline your data flow, and free up time to focus on what really matters. Listaso manages your distribution, operations, and sales. Basically everything related to your customers and logistics. Meanwhile, your ERP can handle accounting, HR, payroll, and all of your internal administrative processes. Together, they give you the best of both worlds. Work smarter, sell faster, and take your B2B pre-sales operations to the next level with Listaso technology.